Alrighty, here we go. YZ125 little ride. Washed it up today. Got a GoPro sticker on there. That might burn off, but it's alright. Gotta go grab my helmet. Last video, Cake's 250. Top end rebuild. That's all. Clutch lever. Needs a new clutch too. That's it. So today we're going to be talking about the gift card scam that happened to me. What happened was someone bought the KX for $12.50 and the guy sent me a $1,200 check. Not $1,200, $2,500 check. Told me to take $12.50 from it and the rest goes to the guy that's coming to pick it up. Get the check, cash it. Tells me put the rest of it on gift cards, send them pictures of it. I was not aware of the gift card scam at first. They take all the money off the gift cards, say I didn't pay them, and tried to get me to send them more money. Then today, guy comes over threatening to steal my bike, and I said, get off the property, I'm gonna call the police. Call the police. They show up, they take care of it, guy leaves. I don't know why they didn't arrest him, but we're really gonna be talking about it on why you shouldn't do it. I mean, I'm not trying to aim for 10 minutes, I'm not even monetized, so. So yeah, that's what happened. Sucks, but you know, I basically got a free bike and got to keep mine. But let's talk about the negatives. So what happened is the guy also sent us a fake check. And the bank called today and said that we need to pay him $2,500 back. The bank took all the money out of my parents' account. So the bank took all the money out of my parents' account. This is a public road. This is this is a public road, so I can do whatever I want. I'm not even tearing up the road. Dude, hopefully this gets on Moto Madness. Moto Madness. I wish it would have went on a little bit longer. But I'm not tearing the road up at all. She says she don't want to hear it. I'll just go slower. I'm not even tearing up the road though. And look at that shit. Fucking telling me I can't ride on a public road. Fuck that. No. What?
Lady over there saying that she said if you were loud, she can't tell your dad and shit. Just so you know.
Oh no, it's all good. This is a public road. I can ride all I want. Alright, thank you. And now there's a nice guy right there. There's a nice guy. Now, I'm totally off topic now because that fucking lady. So, what happened was, so they told my stepdad saying we need to pay all the money back. And I was like, wow, fuck, I'm gonna have to sell the bike. And he's like, no, don't worry about selling the bike, we're gonna get it all figured out. And I was like, alright. So, get it figured out, all ready to go. Then they took all the money out of my parents' account and wouldn't give it back. We had to pay bills and phone bills. So we do that. And we switched our bank to, I can't remember what bank they switched it to, but we switched it to a bank. We switch it to another bank, get it all ready to go. Everything's cleared now. I'm just saying this. You guys need to watch out for the scammers. That's what you guys need to watch out for. There's the people that are gonna scam you. And there's a guy sitting there shaking his head at me with a chainsaw. I bet my chainsaw's louder. He's probably a pussy and got a 4-stroke chainsaw. Holy shit. And those are fucking crackheads too. They all belong to prison. And that fat lady's crazy as shit. But you know, I can sit here and ride all day. I can do whatever I want. You know, I honestly can. You know, I'm just trying to make a simple ass video on me getting scammed and then this crazy lady. Well, I actually get to go on Moto Madness now. I mean, I'm not tearing up the road. You know, I'm not going as fast as I was in the last video. But yeah, this is gonna end up on Moto Madness. I'm done pissing off people. You know, one more time. One more time just to see what will happen. Man, I don't know what it is about the smell of a 2-stroke. Yeah. Man, I wanted to keep going with that lady. I really did. I'm just an asshole when it comes to that. I'll just keep annoying the fuck out of them. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.